How to find your wallet address in Trust Wallet on an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can send and receive cryptocurrency through your Trust Wallet. You can also track prices, swap coins, and use the wallet to access Bitcoin ATMs. So, firstly, launch your Trust Wallet app on your device. Make sure you are on your main wallet screen and that you have chosen the Tokens tab. From the list, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. If it is not on the list, you can also add it first. Then, tap the Receive button, which is just under the wallet balance. Then, a QR code will be displayed. Under the code, you will see the alphanumerical wallet address. Simply tap on the copy option available there. You can also select share and forward the address to another person via email or text messages. The wallet address is unique and has only one purpose: to direct funds to your Trust wallet. Therefore, no one can use the wallet address to access your digital assets in any way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.